Disney Fairies the Fairy Berry Bake Off. The fairies are hard at work in Pixie Hollow. Lily waters flowers, Bess paints in her house. Silver Mist picks up drops of water. Farah plays with the fireflies. Beck helps a lost chipmunk. Tinkerbell fixes a broken pan. The fairies want food after working so hard. They go to the bakery to eat. I wonder what the baking fairies baked today, Lily says. Dulce is stirring berries for a tart over the stove. Ginger is baking a tart too. Ginger gets mad at Dulce. We cannot both bake the same tart, says Ginger. I am sorry, says Dulce. We can both bake tarts. The other fairies can choose the best one. Fine, Ginger says. We will have a very berry bake-off. Dulce and Ginger go back to baking. They will start with chocolate cake. Next, they bake blueberry custard and blackberry cupcakes. Yum, Tink says. All those sweets taste so good. All these sweets taste so good. Ginger and Dulce are mad. They each want their dessert to be the best one. But the fairies love all the treats. Try my muffins, says Dulce. How about a honey buns, asks Ginger. Tink does not know what to do. There are so many sweets. The cakes start to fill the table. Still, the fairies agree that both Ginger and Dulce's treats are tasty. In the kitchen, Dulce and Ginger bake their final cakes. They spot the last berry and both want to use it. It is mine, says Ginger. No, it is mine, says Dulce. They both pull on the berry. Dulce falls back right into her cake. Ginger falls back too. The cakes are smashed. Tink walks in to check on them. As she enters the kitchen, a cupcake lands on her head. Dulce and Ginger look at the mess they made. Cake and cupcakes are everywhere. Tinkerbell is mad. The berry bake-off is over, Tink says. You are both great bakers. Dulce and Ginger blush. We are both great bakers, says Dulce. Try baking together, says Tink. Dulce and Ginger agree that is a great idea. Ginger and Dulce bake the perfect cake. Everyone agrees it is the best one.